Hi, we're Donnie and Anna, and back in February we got started clearing the area for our future build site. But we didn't get around to cleaning it up right away because of snowstorms and purchasing an excavator. Because it was an older machine, there were quite a few things that we both needed and wanted to do before we could really start using it. Some of these projects included installing a pattern changer, removing the old decals, fixing the bucket, changing the filters, and changing the oil. Now that we have all of those projects out of the way, we can finally get started cleaning up our mess. We have been incredibly blessed to have family willing and able to help us throughout this project. We would not have been able to get this done as quickly or as efficiently without their help. The big kids are up by the spring, while this little Peanut and I are working on getting some shots of Daddy digging some stumps. We made a big mess back in February, and it's taken us until almost May to really work on getting it cleaned up. This is going to be our firewood for next year. It's actually probably going to be more than we need for the following year, but it does help us get it a little closer to our goal of clearing things. He's trying to pull some of the logs out so he can cut them up a little better. We have a friend that has a logging truck, and he can get them on the certain lengths on the truck. So we're cutting into length, and we're going to pay him to bring it back to our house so we can cut it into firewood for the coming year. Last few nights we've been coming after work to work over here. Donnie really wants to get this done before it gets too much hotter because it's just really hard to work on firewood in the heat. And this year it's been exceptionally warm and the weather is heated up a lot faster than normal. Usually it's still pretty cool, and today it's in the 80s. So this is an unusually warm year for us. It's going to take a while for us to get everything done that we really want to get done. Have like a 3-4 year staying plan. Want the kids to be bigger. We want to be able to do a lot of this ourselves so we can save money, but also so we're not feeling like it's a big stressful project, because I know building can definitely feel that way sometimes. So having the opportunity to do it slowly, I think, is really a huge blessing. You having fun stacking wood? Yeah? We're gonna head down to the spring for a little while to see the big kids. It's really awesome having such a big piece of property that the kids can play on. It's like a giant playground. Absolutely love it. I really loved playing outside when I was a kid, and so did Donnie. It's nice to be able to give our kids the same opportunity as well. Aw, they're beautiful. Thank you.